Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on the markets. So as anticipated, let's see, where are we going to start today? So we had a day where the financial sector consolidated on the daily chart and the tech sector bounced. So we noticed the observation where on the shorter term time frames, there was an inverse correlation multiple times the past couple days. We saw that on full force today. We got follow through on the bounce for the tech sector names. They gave us hourly higher lows and higher highs and follow through. I played Netflix today out of the gate. And market bought Netflix right at the open when I saw that strength, and then I shorted it for a quick flip as well. Opportunity in both directions as long as this volatility remains. Apple had a bullish beat on earnings after hours, so that's helping bulls. But then we just had Trump say something about adding more to the trade war with China in terms of how much is going to be, on top of the 200 billion. So that caused the S&P 500 to drop after hours, but we'll see how we stand where we open. SPY is the potential. It is still a higher low pattern, but I'm watching the potential of a bearish reversal head and shoulders. With the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder shows up better on the 4-hour time frame. But this is just something to be cautious of because if it breaks, it will be a very clear reversal in the daily trend and a loss of the higher lows, and we should see some bearish follow through. The fact that Apple had a bullish reaction makes this pattern less likely to happen, but it is still a possibility I'm going to be watching. 282.02. And then limited resistance after that, back up until our high of 284.37. Weekly time frame, very healthy consolidation so far. We're not going to see any weekly consolidation unless we lose the daily higher low pattern and confirm that 4-hour potential bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern. IWM trying to bounce, anticipating just a lower high is going to form here. Anything under 169.37 is that lower high. And the weekly time frame here is looking to keep the higher low pattern alive. Anything above 160, 167 will do so. So, still healthy consolidation everywhere. There's no major red flags whatsoever. Red flag number one, and I would not call it a major red flag, will be the confirmation of this pattern, which will occur if we break the low of 279.36. QQQ, so there's our bounce day. Inside bar to be watching for tomorrow, 174.82 break is bearish, 177.13 break is bullish, and after hours, we can see the tech sector bulls are definitely responding well, as is Apple. Apple looking for all-time highs tomorrow. So it's all about, can these bulls continue strong, which they have been doing a great job of. Weekly higher low for QQQ, anything above 169.17, still just fine consolidation overall. And looking at the VIX, pullback day, close at the low of the day, and support after 1281, not much down to 1160, this base of support that was established before the bull move. And the weekly time frame, still weakness on VIX. So the bottom line is the bulls are still in control of the short term. If we see this bear break on SPY, we're going to look for the potential of another leg down on some of these names. The tech sector bulls have to hold the low of the pullback to this point. Obviously, it's a big red flag for the bulls if those lows are lost. And I'm watching closely to see how much consolidation is the financial sector going to see. Right now, it's just starting. Lost the strongest daily higher low pattern, but no major red flags at this point. And I'm watching the financial sector closely for the next month to see, can the bulls consolidate, form a weekly higher low, and then see continuation. We're rejecting from the weekly upper Bollinger Band. Bulls need a higher low, ideally holding 27.50, and then a bull break for continuation to drive the S&P 500 to all-time highs. So that's what I'm watching into the short term, all about the 4-hour S&P 500. And we'll see if these tech bulls can hold on to their gains that we're seeing after hours in response to Apple. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.